Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well guys, Kumalo is very very upset to the point whereby she's like setting her off. And she's like Umtombeni will say whatever it is that he wants, even though akubona ukuthi awusekho right. Kumalo is went through a lot, I guess, kuyonke the process of everything and everything. And uSinyalo so hlushwa ukuthi in each and everything that she did, yes, we acknowledge and she appreciates the fact that Umtombeni introduced her to that those people or the field or something that made her a lot of money, right? She was taking care of the family out of the goodness of her heart. You understand? She was doing lendo lena bekafuna kuyenda yena because of the love of the family that she had and everything for the family. But now it seemed like Umtombeni has been telling people that business lena yaka Makhumalo lena yena Makhumalo are independent kuyona, that has nothing to do with the family yaka Tengsima. Umtombeni has been telling people ukuthi nguyena who made that business or like thinking possible for Umakhumalo, means that he is the one who funded the whole thing to begin with, and now Umakhumalo is acting as the if yena she's the one who did all those by herself. I mean, that's what Umbali told Umakhumalo, saying that the way Umtombeni ayibeka ngayo to us is not how it is. Yes, okay. So uzokwenza ube hated by other people because now it seems like he's the one who was funding, who did everything for you, so that when you'll be able to provide for the family. Makhumalo said, no, I did that by myself on my own. I understand and I appreciate. Yes, one, she's acknowledging the fact that yes, nguye another idea. Yes, nguye ngifakile to those people, and now I worked hard. You understand? And Umtombeni used to appreciate the fact that I'm a hard worker. You understand? But now it's a different thing. So Umtombeni had a meeting with abakhosikazi wakhe uMaye nofika lady as usual. So he said that he planned a retreat for everyone. I don't know because Umakhwelana is one of the wives, but she was not included. Okay, kuleyo meeting leyo they went to Mzumbe and he told them that they're going to have like a retreat and kuzoba ne therapist lapana so that they can talk about anything and everything that they wish to na. And they set off to go tomorrow. So tomorrow is the day that they have to go to the retreat Leo, so that everyone would feel heard and all that. And Lafika Langa, the place is so nice, beautiful, and they enjoyed Umakhumalo yena. Ufike number 2 wafika number 2 laphana because umacele ufike no baba uMosamsele, kodwa the house was so gorgeous. Sanibonani. I have few questions regarding the whole retreat thing that Umseleko planned without his wife's knowledge. So Umayeni feels like Umayeni no Mbali. Umayeni feels like maybe ugadla ngenyawo wehlukile and they will get that different results. Umbali says that who told Umtombeni to come up with this idea, because I guess Umbali knowing Umtombeni for so many years, Umtombeni wouldn't have let something like that happen. And Umbali asked Umtombeni what is the thinking, because when the last time I checked our now my therapist, why are we here now? Kind of thing. So it's quite confusing. I think they've concluded that someone else is behind the whole thing. Yamseleko wanting to go to the couples retreat and involving a therapist. You understand from my standing. Now the question that I have, sorry, is that okay, they're all going there. The 4 wives, Umakhwela is not included, even though Umakhwela is the wife number 5. Why is she not included? Because Umseleko says that he would not be told what to do, right? He will not be told what to do now by his wives and all that. But now he needs this thing to pillar. This is temple to be an alive thing, right? Why is Umakhwela not included to the people who are going to the retreat? Why was Umakhwela not involved in the family meeting that they had, that came with the details to say that they are going to the couples retreat? Because Umakhwela is number 5, right? Isho njalo. Also Umakhwela is number 5. Why was she not invited to Mzumbe for the meeting? They becala ngo-7. Why is she not going to the couples retreat? Is it because Umtombe knows that the couples retreat is not gonna be a success if umakwela akona lapana? Is he acknowledging the fact that the other wives have not yet accepted or they're not going to accept Umakumalo as wife number 5? And does that mean that Umtomben would have to arrange things for the whole family to be there and then Umakwela yena wakakakube separately without the other wives? I don't know if that's called like a special treatment or oganjan. And this retreat thingy, they all have problems with Umtombin. Good long problem Umtombin. Even Umakumalo na has things that she wants to say. Umaqele na umayene and umangwabe. They all have things that they want to say to Umseli. And my problems are different from the next person, right? So now they're going to this retreat thing. Are they going to be hey, are they going to be in a sitting whereby everyone is just sitting there listening to the other person's issues or kanjani, or it's going to be a one-on-one conversation, or it's going to be me and my husband conversation kind of thing? Because if you're gonna sit down and listen to other people's problems while now it's 10 years and you have problems, hey, it's okay.